someone here working on our AC, and Apple is very nervous about it. So she's protecting me right now. That or I'm protecting her, I can't tell. I don't know if I'm making her feel better or if she's trying to make me feel better. But she won't she won't just lay down on the pillow next to me. No. She has to be laying down on my head.
Oh, my name is Apple Simple Wells. I'm very good puppy dog. I'm boxer and I love to be tucked in the good night. I'm very good night baby. And I miss mommy me a lot, but I'm okay. I'm okay right now. Bully, on the other hand, Bully's not doing so hot. He's very depressed.
new vlog. So today is something. It's Friday. It's been quite a few days since I've recorded anything, but Mom and Heather had to go back up to Indy to do some visa stuff to get Heather all set up for going to London. So we've had a couple roof estimates done. Oh, hang on, let's actually go inside. Did you go potty, Moby? Come on. So this area here, it looks bad, but come on, Bobby, you can come in. So it's getting there. It's getting. But I think the biggest improvement to as of right now is the office. Ah, look at it. There's my couch. And then we actually have a living area, living space. So there's still tons of boxes everywhere, but we're getting there. And then this part I'm really proud of. This is actually what decorated the arch at mine and Wyatt's wedding. So I just really like it. It's the first thing that you see. There's front door, you walk in. It's the first thing you see when you walk in. I just think it's really, really pretty. I just need to make sure that I keep it dusted because, the fake flowers and everything like that will get dusty. But, so we still don't have a washer and dryer yet because of the dryer thing, but we had an electrician come out and basically tell Wyatt exactly everything that he needs to do so that he can fix it himself. So there is that. And then what else has happened? We need to go get a new carpet for upstairs so that Mom can move upstairs, and then that'll open up because once we haven't wanted to put any furniture upstairs, but a lot of furniture is going upstairs. I don't think I've actually shown you upstairs yet, so let's go upstairs really quick. Basically, here's the upstairs area. It's kind of like a loft area. Tons of skylights. Got a thing here, and then the bedroom back here, right there. And then that way, over there to the left, is a full bathroom, and then attic access, and there's attic access back there for long-term storage stuff. Let's go down the stairs carefully. But yeah, so the carpet upstairs needs to be replaced. Mom wants to replace it. I'm not sure with what kind of carpet she wants to pick right now, but I'm assuming it's going to be a gray. Mom really likes gray. So we're going to go pick them up from the airport, or they drove down, but they need to drop off their rental car. So we're going to go pick them up, but we're going to stop by Lowe's, get a cord. Sorry, that's something. Get a cord, see if they can come out and give us an estimate for carpet installation and all of that stuff. And yeah, so then I'll update y'all soon. Okay. So we just pick up hobos and hitchhikers and things like that. To Georgia. It actually did rain, but you couldn't tell it because the sand soaks it up so much.
It rained for about 30 seconds on our trip.
Okay, so we got to figure out how to get Mom back.
We got to go back to the front.
Pick Mom up from the car rental, and now we're going into Macy's because apparently Heather needs something from Macy's.
She needs a new suitcase.
A new suitcase.
Because she doesn't have the right size, which I completely doubt.
What?
Oh, dude. You moved and scared me.
Yeah?
Yeah?
So Wyatt found a pet turtle. There he goes. It's not actually a pet, it's just...
He goes pretty fast, actually.
He's busy, guys.
What's in his mouth?
He's eating. It's supper time for turtles.
Where you going? I never knew they had this like shell that came up under their neck like that.
Not all of them do.
I've never seen that before. Where you going, buddy?
Only the males actually have the
Whoa, I'm out. They battle with them. So if way back yonder, let's see if we can get some lightning. It's raining over there. I'm in overalls and I have a mallet. So, progress. Well, yes. So there's no lights. This is all, the power's off right now. But we're getting our dryer thing. I say we, Wyatt's mostly. I'm just walking around with a mallet. But we're trying to get the dryer fixed. So, there's Wyatt. Okay, bye. What? What do you want? What do you want, Apple Snapple? You want outside. You want outside? Press your button, you go outside. I don't know if she's actually trying to say she wants to go outside or she just wants to kill it. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Oh, video, what? So here's my commissions folder on Procreate right now. Don't look at my toes, no. I've been doing a lot of, well, I say a lot. I've been doing some pretty decent Fiverr work. I'm pretty proud of how this one turned out. This was a client's Destiny character, their warlock. I really like the wings and everything. Got to play with some new brushes. Got to make a logo for somebody's YouTube channel, super cute. And then this one, this woman owns a like packaging company, so I got to make that, and I got to make a banner for her. That was super fun. And then this one was super duper fun. I had so much fun with this one because there's so many different colors. Pixie Guts, like follow her on Twitch. She's a Twitch streamer. She wants something cute, kind of saucy, but still kind of bloody, you know, that kind of counter thing. So that was super fun to do too. Here's my Greek mythology one. So I've been working on doing like full illustrations for that one, but that one is what I thought Asteria was going to look like, but this is actually what I want Asteria to look like, so hang on one second. Okay, so this is what I've been working on right now. I just want to show you the detail of her hair. If I go to, let's see here, let me get rid of the sketch layer. So yeah, she's kind of naked, but not where I saw. You can't see anything, but like I covered up her boobies. But I want to show you her hair. Like it took me forever to do that, so I'm pretty proud of her. Like, so in other news, I'm doing a mud mask right now. Today was pretty heavy. Wyatt did a ton of work. He's completely wiped. He got into the crawl space, rewired for the dryer, and we finally got the dryer and the washer hooked up, and that was all Wyatt. Like, I helped a little bit. I basically did nothing. I was like an assistant. So yeah, he got that rewired. They didn't put a vent in for the dryer, so he had to do that, drill into the hole, and then was the hole like got in the box, and but it works, it's going. Now we can clean our clothes, so that's been super fun. I didn't think I'd be so excited to do laundry. But yeah, mud mask. I'll see you in the morning, and then I'll like wrap up this vlog probably. I don't know. But yeah, I feel like I wake up and I'm just constantly going. And at the end of the day, I'm like, what the fuck did I do today? Like I replaced some like switch covers. I helped Wyatt. I mopped a floor. Oh God, what else did I do? I did nothing. I drew a little bit. Potentially got scammed by this freelance thing. I don't know. It's like super sketch. That's the whole thing with being a freelancer is some of these jobs, it's like, I don't know if they're real or because like this is like, oh yeah, I'm starting up my own company, like a small company, and I'd love to like take you on or whatever. And it's like, well, I do like, but then it's like, oh, well, I do direct deposit or wire transfer. And I'm like, I'm not going to give you my bank information. I'm not going to do it. And it's like, I've never heard of you, and that's nothing against you or whatever. It's just like, I don't know you, you know? It's just, I just never know if I'm like, I don't want to get scammed. I mean, I have $30 in my checking account right now. So commission me, send me an email, send me a message on Instagram, find my Fiverr, Vmailsy on Fiverr, Artists and Clients is another one. But yeah, you just send me a message, just tell me what you are thinking about, and we can chat. Like, that's literally the easiest thing. Just like, oh, well, I kind of want this drawing made for my cousin, or I've got my friend's birthday is coming up and they really like Toy Story or something like that. And I want to get them drawn as like a toy, like just like whatever, you know, I draw everything. Just talk to me. And if I can't do it, I know a ton of other artists that I went to school with and that I've made friends with on Instagram. So like, hit me up. I'll help you out, you know? And it's always fun to get digital art and all of that stuff. And I do painting, so if you want a physical copy, I can ship it to you. So like, that's cool too. I've done that. I've actually shipped like a big 20 inch by 16 inch painting through the mail, perfectly wrapped. And it got from Indiana to California, not a scratch, no damage whatsoever. So like, I'm really good at what I do, so hire me. I know this is not the look that you want, but hire me. Do it.